Linnea here. Thank you for watching and tuning in to me. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys are interested in me and what I have to share. Right now, I'm just doing a video to show you a few things. I got a little haul. Working at a storage unit, storage facility, when people throw things away, you get a chance to kind of see what they're throwing away. And someone put a little box with a bunch of antique jars in it, little bottles, not jars. Well, a couple of jars and some little bottles, and threw them away in the garbage. And I found them, thankfully. So I'm going to show you those. Let me see what else I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you a cup I got from my dear friend Skins Fan All Day. He is on YouTube. He's a great guy. He's a good supporter, and he's a really good friend of mine. I love him to pieces. I think of him as one of my kids. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about a book collection that I talked to you about earlier, but I want to talk to you some more about that. So the cup I got from my dear friend Skins Fan All Day says "Stay Loyal" on one side, which is his little saying. He's always saying "stay loyal." And on the other side it says, "Remember to hold your head up and don't let nobody steal your joy." And that's his mantra, and he says that every time he does a video at the end. And I just love this cup. It means so much to me to have it. And I love my Skins Fan. He's a good friend of mine and a very good supporter. So if you haven't tuned into him, please do. He's a Redskins fan, and that's why it's Skins Fan All Day, and they're not called Redskins anymore. He's going to have to change his name, isn't he? Maybe not. Anyway, he is a fan, and so he does talk about that, but he does videos that are just fun and visiting and so on, lives, and they're a blast, and he's a blast. And so if you haven't tuned into him, please do. Next, I'll show you the jars. So the two jars I got, here's one. It's octagonal, or a little more than that, a little more than octagon, but isn't that adorable? And it's purple. It's completely an antique. And it's got a cork, and it's perfect for oils. I just love it. And then I got another one that is square. It's the same color, and it's just a pretty little square with also a cork in it. Now, these were in a little box that somebody threw away at the storage facility that I manage. So I got them. Now, these are the next ones. These two are alike. These are adorable, and they say something on them. I'm going to see what they say. Balsam of Life, the King's Patent. The King's Patent Balsam of Life. Okay, these are both medicinal jars, I guess. And these are antique as well. The King of Life and Balsam of Life. Oh, the King of Patent and Balsam of Life. And these two are the same. Very cute bottles. Jars. And they have a place for a cork as well, which I'm going to order a few little tiny corks. So that's those two. This one is another one that was in there. It's got a little design on the bottom, and it kind of twists, and it says "Cure" on the bottom. And that's all it says. It just says "Cure" on the bottom. Just lovely antiques. The next one is shaped like this, and it says chalk, Chorch, Chorce, Chorch, or church. Oh, it says church. Yeah, it says church. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it does say brand. Looks more like brand in the camera. I don't know. Anyway, it's a cute little guy with the little circles on it, and oh, it says something else right there. Oh, it says church brand. Okay, it says church brand. Adorable. And then there's this one. Just a beautiful design on that bottle on both sides. Aren't they adorable? They're just adorable. And then there is this one. And I'll read it to you as well. It says, maybe if I had my 6 eyes on, I could read it better. Or not. I know a trick. I don't know where my pencil is, but I do know a trick where you can get an idea of what something says by tracing it or by penciling it. Oh yeah, this is working. So that says Novice Cure with a Q. Novice Cure with a Q. It says something else up there, but I can't see it. And on the other side, it says a lot. You know what I think? I think this is a different language. Slow. It says, okay, it's not a different language. I can't really read it, but it says something remedy. Something grow. I can't read it. But it says a lot on this side. And then on this side, it looked like it said Novice Cure with a Q, but I can't really tell. Anyway, another cute little bottle or jar. So there are those, and I'm so excited about them. I can't wait to get some oils in them. I was thinking of doing an oil in them and actually selling them, but I don't know if I could let go of them. They're so unique, and I love them so much that I don't know if I could do that. Let me see. There was something else I wanted to show you. Oh, here it is. This was a lantern. It had a little thing on top where you have the wick. It was a hurricane lantern, a real small one. But the top was broken. So I took it off, and I took a champagne cork and I carved it so that it would fit in there. Now, the unique thing about this is it's got a sun, planets, stars, the moon, another star, the sun again, and then we start over with the planet. And it's that way on both sides. It's the same design on both sides. But isn't that unique? And I love it, and it's going to make a great oil jar. Not sure what I'm going to put in it yet, but I want to put something in it that's planetary or astrological or something to that effect. Maybe something to my sign, or I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Oh, one more thing. There's a store here called Buc-ee's. It's like a Circle K or a 7-Eleven. They sell gas, and they sell really unique items. This is one of them. Doesn't that look like rocks? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's called rock chocolate, or chocolate rocks. Is that cool or what? Anyway, I love it. And I haven't brought myself to eat them because I love the container looking like it's full of rocks. I love that. I know I had a couple other things to show you, but I don't know where I put them. I thought I put them close, but I didn't. I have another lantern jar, but I think I've showed it to you before. I'm going to grab it right quick. This is it. It was a lantern as well. I found it in a pile of garbage outside my house, believe it or not, across the street. And it didn't have a top to it at all. But again, I carved a little cork. I put that one tight. A champagne cork. I carved it and made it fit. So it's another little oil jar I have. Very beautiful. I love it. And it looks quite old. I don't know that it is, but it looks old. It's got a brand on it, but I can't read it to save my life. And this one doesn't have a brand. It just has a 0. Anyway, those are my new jars or bottles. And I thought I'd share them. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, you're divine, sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you with all of my heart. Thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon, and have a blessed day, week, and stay safe. It's getting a little scary out there, so stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.